Hello, Kenda friends. Today, we will be discussing the best piano apps for Android. If you're someone who loves playing the piano or wants to learn how to play, these apps will definitely enhance your experience. So, without further ado, let's dive into the details. Solo Piano. Solo Piano is a piano application designed for users who want to practice playing the piano and feel like they are playing on a real piano. This app has attractive graphics with a complete piano keyboard display and responsive key buttons. Solo Piano also offers various realistic piano sounds and supports multi-touch feature, allowing users to play multiple notes at once. Furthermore, Solo Piano is equipped with features like metronome and recording mode to help users improve their piano playing skills. Piano Melody. Piano Melody is a piano application suitable for beginners who want to learn to play the piano quickly. This app features a simple and user-friendly graphical interface with a full keyboard piano display. Piano Melody provides various popular songs that can be learned and played by users either through notation or using virtual piano keys. The app also supports features like metronome, recording, and learning mode to assist users in mastering the piano songs they choose. Prefect Piano. Prefect Piano is a piano application that offers a complete and realistic piano playing experience. This app has an elegant interface with a stunning piano keyboard display. Prefect Piano provides various high-quality piano sounds, including grand piano, electric piano, and many more. Furthermore, the app is equipped with multi-touch support, allowing users to play multiple notes at once with their fingers. Prefect Piano also offers a wide selection of songs to be learned and played, as well as features like sheet music splashing to assist in visualizing the songs. And that concludes our discussion on the best piano apps for Android. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Happy playing!